Hello, welcome back. Here, this video is going to be a quick little review of how to determine open intervals where a function is increasing or decreasing. So we have a function, f of x equals x squared over x squared plus 4. Now the cool thing about these questions, x squared over x squared plus 4, is now we have to take the derivative of this. So we're going to also review the quotient rule as well. So here is our derivative. If you remember the quotient rule, you can say it to yourself right now as I'm thinking about it. Correct, it's low times the derivative of the high minus the high times the derivative of the low, all over low, low. So let's do this. Low times the derivative of the high minus the high times the derivative of the low, all over low, low. Now, some students want to FOIL this out to simplify. Not necessary. Not necessary. If you look here, we're going to distribute this. We get 2x cubed plus 8x minus 2x cubed, all over that quantity of x squared plus 4 quantity squared. This is gone with this. We're left with the second derivative of 8x equals the quantity x squared plus 4 squared. That's our second derivative. I'm sorry, our first derivative. Now, how are we going to determine if it's increasing or decreasing? Well, we should know if our derivative over an interval is positive, that f should be going up. And if it is negative over an interval, f is going to go down. You remember our smiley faces we did way back when? Positive, it's going up. Negative, it's going down. This also helped us determine extrema. Negative, going down. Positive, going up. Our smiley face. So let's use a quick little number line to determine where it's increasing or decreasing. Now if I look at this, where do I put on my number line? Oh yeah, I forgot. I need to find my critical numbers. So I got to find where this is equal to 0 or undefined. So any place where I can plug in x to make our denominator here 0. The answer is no. No matter what negative number I put in there, I'm going to get a positive number out, and it'll give me a positive denominator. So I'm not going to get 0 anywhere. So it's just going to be up to the numerator, and it looks like it's only going to be 0 when x is 0. So I'm going to put that right on my number line. Then we can test some test values. Let's put -1 in and 1. Easy enough. Plug -1 into my derivative, into the derivative. I'm going to get a negative numerator, positive denominator. So negative over positive is negative. And then plug in 1. We have positive over positive. It's positive. So, since it's negative the entire time, it's decreasing. And here, since the derivative is positive over this interval, it would be increasing. This is the function f is increasing based on using the derivative. I hope you enjoyed this quick little review of finding intervals where functions increase or decrease. And we also reviewed the quotient rule as well. Have a nice day. John Stone out.